Hey everyone! This week we're learning about waves. I want to take a moment to demonstrate for you what transverse and longitudinal waves look like. So first we'll see an example of a transverse wave. So I have here this honor chord, and if you want to follow along at home, graduating seniors, you just take an honor chord, plunk something down on top of it, and then give it a little flick. And you'll see that it goes a little bit fast, but you'll see that that shape kind of travels down the line. So we just give it a little flick and you get a little bit of a wave shape that goes, it starts out up here and it goes down there. Now if instead of flicking it just once, what if we moved it back a few times? You can see we start to get a wave shape with multiple fronts. So next we're going to do an example of a longitudinal wave, and I'm going to use a slinky for this. So if you're following along at home and you happen to have a slinky in your old toy box or something, feel free to dig it out and try this as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our slinky and we're going to stretch it out a little bit, and we're going to send a wave through it by just jostling it, and you'll notice that the wave front starts in one place and it kind of travels down. So you bring it up, so there are places where it's stretched out and places where it's compressed. You can kind of see that compression front moving through the slinky.